Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. This is Jade. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So this is the pattern that I chose to do my hair. I did the rubber band method again, just in the front and the back of my hair, and then I just did like 6 braids in the middle. And this is the hair that I chose to use. I used the Bobby Boss faux lock hair. I have 18 and a 14 inch, and then I also picked up this passion water wave hair, just so I can put a couple throughout my hair to achieve that bohemian look. So we're going to get right into it. So obviously you're going to need a crochet hook because this is a crochet hairstyle. And you're going to take install the 18-inch hair first. So you're going to take that hair, and where the loop is, you're going to want to open that up. You don't want to open it up too much, but you're going to open that up, and then you're going to take your crochet hook, open the hook up, and then you're going to take it and chase it through that one plait. You're going to want to make sure that it's behind the rubber band, and then you're going to just simply pull that through. Make sure that the hook is closed. You don't want to snag your hair because that's going to hurt. And then you're going to, once it's pulled through, you're going to take the hair and the lock and pull that through, and that's just going to cover up that rubber band that you installed in your hair. So now we're going to just kind of unravel the lock a little bit at the top and just start to wrap it around your braid to cover your entire braid up. And you're going to do that all the way down until you don't see your hair anymore. And guys, if you didn't catch it the first time, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you one more time. I sped it up just a little bit, but you can still get the gist of what I'm doing on here. And feel free to rewind this video and watch it as many times as you can until you're able to successfully achieve this hairstyle. Alright, so for the fun part, I'm going to extend this lock. This is the 18-inch hair. This is how long it is on me. I'm pretty short. I'm 5'1", so it's about waist length, and I just wanted it to be longer. So what I'm doing right now is I'm unraveling the bottom half of the lock here, and I'm splitting it up into 3 because I'm going to braid it. So I'm going to take the 14-inch hair, open that loop up just a little bit, and I'm going to take only 2 strands of that hair that I unraveled, and I am going to chase that through the loop, and then I'm going to start to braid. This is just to help make it secure so the braid won't slip out and go anywhere. Now what I like to do, just for extra security, this is totally optional, I just lightly burn the end of that braid just so I know that my hair is not going anywhere and the lock doesn't detach and slip out. So now we're going to unravel the hair, and we're going to wrap it around the braid until you can't see the braid anymore, just like we did at the root of our hair when we installed the first lock. And I'm just lightly going over that lock with the lighter just to make it more secure and to get rid of that bulkiness so it can blend a little bit better. Now, if you did not get it the first time, don't worry, sis, I got you. I'm going to show you one more time. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. I absolutely love my hair, and I hope you guys love this video. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.